coastal area
Uh-huh.
to visit that place and see different type of fishes and shrimps and different sea animals. Yeah, I'm very excited to see them because my first time to
Okay.
visit that type of place.
Okay.
Are you ready? Yeah! Are you ready? Yeah! Are you ready? Yeah!
One, two, three.
Hello, my name is Nat from Thailand.
My name is Katsuki from Japan.
Hi, my name is Hyo and I come from Vietnam.
I'm Dr. Deepak from Pharma researcher from IIT Kharagpur, India.
This trip is so fun. We get to explore Pangandaran Beach and we can see the fishery net at the sea.
Yeah, it's very awesome. I really enjoy it.
I think it's great. It's a unique experience.
My trip was very fantastic here because of the environment surrounding, beautiful peoples of the Indonesia and their way of approach, talking, sweetly speaking, very polite nature and loving behavior.
The food is so good. It's a little bit spicy for me, but I like most of it. The fave one for me is bubur ayam.
My favorite one is bakso.
I don't know what it's called, but it's the noodle. Yeah, the noodle with some food. Bakso. Yeah, I think it's what it is.
Every dish was very miracle and fantastic for me. But when I have tried my level best, I some tofu, tempeh and other things I also use.
My favorite buddy, Naha and Steph.
Favorite party, I think it's Sushi. Sushi, yeah, from the buddy of our group. She's very kind and take care of us.
A student here undergraduate taking care of me, Miss Faza, Fauzia, Alhamdulillah. Beautiful and they are very good buddies for me.
Fahira! Yay! Guide us. You I can now. Maybe you can.